Understanding cutting out in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cutting out in English. This phrase can be a bit tricky, as it has several meanings depending on the context. Let's dive in and understand all about cutting out, so you can use it confidently in your daily conversations. Cutting out literally means to remove something by cutting. It's often used in contexts like arts and crafts or cooking. For example, she was cutting out paper shapes for the collage. Another common use of cutting out is to describe leaving a place abruptly or quickly. For instance, I have to cut out early from the party tonight. In technology, cutting out refers to something stopping or ceasing to work unexpectedly. Like, my phone keeps cutting out during calls. When it comes to health and diet, cutting out means eliminating a particular food or habit. For example, he is cutting out sugar from his diet. I hope this video helps you understand the various meanings of cutting out in English. Remember, the key is to pay attention to the context to figure out which meaning is being used. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.